started my camera.
Right.
I'm good. I can make it official now.
99.
99. This is the real deal. This is where the fails happen when you put the.
Okay, you let me know.
I'm ready whenever.
Okay, you just right after.
Okay.
Time.
All right. Wish me luck.
1:43.
Woo. Stage 3. Oh yeah, big berm. Let's do it. Woohoo! Yeah! That is such an awesome jump. It looks like it's getting kind of wore out already, but man, it sends so well. Yeah. Whew. What a fun section, man. Oh, yeah. Nose is running. Whew. All right. Climb, climb, climb. All right. Yeah, buddy. Oh, man. Make good lines, good line choice. Yeah. The climb. Hey, doing good. Keep going. I think the other big jump is up here. Whew. Let's climb. Oh no, not happening. Definitely rutted out. Sometimes, whenever you're on single track and you're racing, you can run into a rider who might be riding a little bit slower than you. You can either ask them to pass, or if you know you're not going to win the race, you might as well just let them take their time, figure out when they feel safe to get over, and then they'll let you pass. Once you do, just tell them thanks and enjoy the ride. Woo! All right. Now we're back on it. Let's go. There we go. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot. Just trying to conserve energy. Climbing up that fire road 3 times already. It's got me a little tired. All right. On this stage, I thought we were going to have to do this climb after this next section, but it turns out they shortened the stage and it ends right up here. Stage 3 was a blast, and it was one of the longer sections. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon, that way you don't miss the last stage. And if you haven't already, go back and watch stage 1 and 2 so you guys can see exactly the flow of this event. This Enduro has been a blast so far. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what stage so far has been your favorite, and as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.